Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Red Dead Redemption VR. First, you'll need a powerful PC and a compatible VR headset, like a Valve Index or Oculus Quest 2. Next, download the REAL VR mod, which is essential for converting the game into a virtual reality experience. Ensure your game is updated to the latest version before installing any mods. This guide will walk you through each step to get you riding through the frontier in VR. Once you have the REAL VR mod downloaded, extract its contents directly into your Red Dead Redemption 2 game folder. Make sure to follow the mod's specific installation instructions carefully, as they can vary slightly. After installation, launch the game through your VR headset's interface. You might need to make some initial adjustments within the mod's menu to fine-tune your VR experience, ensuring everything feels just right. To truly immerse yourself, embrace the motion controls for aiming your firearms and interacting with the world. It adds a fantastic layer of realism. You can choose between various locomotion methods, such as teleportation or smooth movement, so try them all to see what feels best for you. Remember to take short breaks, especially when starting out, to prevent any potential motion sickness and keep your VR sessions enjoyable. For an even deeper dive into the Wild West, consider adding haptic feedback vests or specialized VR accessories. These can truly elevate your sense of presence in the game. Also, check out the Red Dead Redemption 2 modding community for custom texture packs and other enhancements that can make the visuals even more stunning in VR. Don't forget to check the description for a link to those amazing leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.